Hello there, welcome back to my YouTube channel, or welcome if you're new. My name is Irina and I have received my latest in beauty box for October. As usual, we'll start with an overview of the things that I picked in September and what I thought of them. But before I do that, I would love it if you would subscribe if you're not subscribed yet. I do latest in beauty unboxings regularly, and I also review makeup. I review a lot of Avon, but I also review a lot of UK drugstore makeup and do other beauty related videos and sometimes a little bit of lifestyle in there. And with that being said, let's get into it. So here's what I got last time. This is still in this box. That should tell you something. I've used this one more time, or two more times actually, and I found that using it for a little bit less time, like putting that first layer on for a little bit less time, works a lot better. But the staying power of it is not great for my lips. It doesn't stay on my lips as much as I would think a lip stain would do. Definitely not all day long. I will keep it around to play with it some more because it is quite a unique product. The scrub, it's nice. I like it. You know, it's a nice scrub. The mascara is okay. I think I might have a picture with this on one of my eyes. It does give me a little bit of volume. However, it is a very wet formula, and if I use too many coats, then it can get quite clumpy. So it was nice to try, but I wouldn't get it again. Then the Mitchum Natural Power Gel Cream. My partner is saying that it's a bit hit and miss. It works most days, but other days still lets some of his, natural smells through, if you know what I mean. So yeah, bit hit and miss. This mask, I've used one of these sachets, and it gave me 2 applications, and it's nice enough. I'll have to use it more just to see if I see like a difference, but it's nice enough. My skin likes it. And the Pony Secret, I will also add some pictures of me trying to put this on. I don't like it. The problem is that when I try to tie my hair, it kind of like it doesn't sit nicely enough. I like a slick pony, like a slick hair when I do a ponytail, and my hair just doesn't sit slick, if that makes any sense. When I try to gather a hair to put it around this, and also I find that my hair ties do not go enough times around this to give me a very tight hold. So yeah, it's not that great for me. I will maybe try it for doing a bun, but if that still doesn't work, then I'll probably sell it or something. Oh, and also I didn't notice that much of a difference between having the Pony Secret in and having just a regular hair tie. So, got the October box. Okay, I already gave you a little sneak peek, so I'm going to start with the Dirty Works Lovely Scrubbly Body Scrub. This is a full size 250 ml. Oh, smells really nice. This is the consistency of it. Hopefully you can see it there. So this feels kind of like I'm in between a harsh and a smooth scrub. It feels quite nice. It feels hydrating as well. Oh, smells really nice. I do like a good body scrub. This one has pumice, peach seed powder, shea butter, and sweet almond oil. So really nice. Then I got this with my partner in mind, but I don't mind using this either. This is from Head & Shoulders, the Hydration Seal for dry scalp. He does get dry scalp and sometimes it's really bad. So I'm curious if this is going to work for him. And this has hyaluronic acid as an active ingredient, and the way you use it, you apply it to pre-washed hair and then use the nozzle applicator to focus on the scalp's dry spots. Massage into the scalp and leave for 1 to 3 minutes, then rinse out. Oh, it smells nice as well. Very perfumed, but nice. And then the rest of my items are makeup items. What else? I am thinking maybe doing another video trying all these makeup items on, because I got some last time as well. So I'll start with the Allure London 3/4 lengths lashes. I don't normally wear lashes, and the main reason is because I need to trim them and I can't be arsed. I can't be bothered. But if these are already 3/4 lengths, I might use them. Saying that, I know that I won't use them all the time, but maybe if I do looks for Instagram or something like that. And they come with a little lash glue there. Let's see, this will be the right. Yeah, not bad. And then the rest of my items are from the Wonder 2 drop. So of course I got the Wonder Brow. This is in shade Brunette. And this is how it comes like. And we have one side, we have this triangle type of applicator, which I do like sometimes. And then on this side we've got, oh, we've got a brow gel. I completely forgot about that. So let's see what the color is like. I do like the spoolies, quite small. Right, so the brow gel, that's the shade of it. So I wouldn't say that's brunette. It's kind of more like my what I need. And then this side. Okay, this one feels a little bit hard. So that's the liner part. I think it might go a little bit softer as you use it. Yeah, it's definitely getting a little bit softer. Still feels a bit hard. I don't know if I'm gonna like that, but I'll try it. Definitely like the brow gel. Now I got the Lost and Foundation Concealer, kind of like a play of words on Lost and Found, in shade Light. So this is how it looks like out of the box. And let's see the shade. Okay, I have just water for now. I'm gonna give it a mix. Okay, definitely needs mixed. That needs mixing even more. So yeah, it's very watery. I don't like that. I don't like that consistency. Not so far. Maybe if I mix it a little bit more. Yes, now that I mixed it more, that consistency is a lot better. So let me look what I'm doing. Yeah, that is much better. So if you got this and you thought it's like, oh my goodness, what's that? Give it a really good mix. Don't be afraid to squeeze the tube a little bit. Obviously put the lid on when you do that. But yeah, that's much better, and that feels a lot nicer. Okay, and then the last item is Wonder Kiss Gloss Lip Liner. The shade of this is Rose. Only had one shade available. And this is what it looks like out of the box. It looks really nice. I have swatched this because I couldn't help myself, and I quite like it. I'm gonna try using this like all over my lips. Put it there as well, so hopefully you can see it. You can see the shade. In fact, I think I will take the lipstick that I'm wearing right now off and put this on, even though this lipstick matches my nails. So I also tried to wash my hand, and judging from this, it looks like it might have quite good staying power. But anyway, let me put this on. It smells really nice. I think that's beautiful. I didn't expect it to suit me as well as it does. Yeah, like this. So already know next time when you come back, you'll know that I like this. But I can let you know about the staying power and things like that. So here is my latest in beauty for October. I'm hoping you will come back next time just to see what I thought of the items that I tried. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, I would love it if you would subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!